Alright, now here's the scooch. My beautiful 350QX just decided to bail out on me pretty bad. Today, this afternoon, I was flying at Amberglen. Unfortunately, or how am I gonna say that? Just this morning I was looking on YouTube, and there was a guy there. I explained basically that these props pretty quickly fall apart. They break really easy. Now, I haven't seen anything or anybody who reported the same happens to me, but apparently while I was flying today and called her back in a return home mode, I've been about 40 feet up in the air, which is about 12 to 15 meters. That piece of that front prop just flew off, and there is no way in hell that you can land that thing safely. It just stalled over, it did all kinds of crazy stuff, and I hit the ground, I mean, extremely hard. I had my camera mounted on it, my good old contour camera, and of course this thing got checked up pretty good too. Luckily, since this is a pretty rigid product, the lens broke. Of course, it's a glass lens, but I had another replacement here available. Got still some skid marks here. I yanked the top button off here, and the slider, and the rear cover fell off. I mean, I was seeking for all parts and pieces. Anyway, back to my QC. It's a very nice product, actually. I'm not complaining about it. Unfortunately, the propeller issue here, Horizon knows about it, and they also are very responsive. Called them up this afternoon, and basically it did this call back number work better than being for 54 minutes on hold on a phone. A guy named Andrew called me back. I explained to him what happened, and guess what? I'm gonna get a brand new body delivered next week, and I got 2 brand new sets on props coming at me. The beauty is, and that's what Andrew said, the body did what it's supposed to do. I protected the electronics from getting damaged. Even looking here, my battery didn't fume up, nothing, didn't get bulky or poofy, nothing. Battery is perfectly intact. There is no dent on there, so that means this thing is awesome. A really well protected battery and the electronics inside. And we did a little test basically. We just turned it on to make sure that everything is working just fine. And here you see it's initializing very good, and it's seeking still for a satellite signal, no problem at all. So now it's in bind mode because I got my radio off. Let's do this again here. Get my radio. Oops. Okie dokie, my good old DX8. Jesus. Whoops. Alright, let's try that again. Everything is down. Off, off, off. There you go. And it's seeking for a satellite signal. No problem. So all the electronics survive beautifully. No issue. Ciao. What I'm gonna do now basically is I will be disassembling all this stuff here, getting rid of the old body, so that I'm prepared whenever the new body is gonna come in. I will be faster for reassembling. I know the two props here up front, those guys are in the back, shouldn't be any issue. Alrighty then, I will be doing this right now. Okay, here it is. Freed up.